Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about permutations. Do you have any idea about permutation? Okay, now I proceed. A permutation is an arrangement of objects in a definite order. The member or the element of set are arranged here in a sequence or a linear order. This indicates that the numbers or the elements in a set is arranged in a sequence or a linear order. For example, let us consider a set A. It has two elements 1, 6. The number of elements in the set A is 2 and there is only two possible ways to arrange these two elements, that is set of all 1, 6 and set of all 6, 1. There is no other possible ways to arrange the elements of set A. Basically, permutation is an arrangement of objects in a particular way or order. While dealing with permutation, one should concern about the selection as well as arrangement. While you are doing a permutation, you should concentrate on your selection and also your arrangement. In short, ordering is very much essential in permutations. In other words, a permutation is considered as an ordered combination. The other word for permutation is ordered combination. Now, shall we see about the formula? The formula for permutation of n object for or selection of object is given by P of n, r is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. For example, a number of ways, third and the fourth position of an awarded to 10 members is given by P of 10, 2, where 10 factorial by 10 minus 2 factorial. This is obtained by substituting in the permutation formula. Therefore, 10 factorial by 8 factorial. 10 factorial is written as 10 into 9 into 8 and the 8 factorial is 8 factorial. Therefore, 10 into 9 is equal to 80. 90. Types of permutation. Permutation can be classified into three different categories. 1. Permutation of n different objects. Here the repetition is not allowed. The second type is when the repetition is allowed. And third type is permutation when the objects are not distant. That is permutation of multi-sets. Now shall we discuss about the permutation of n different objects? If n is a positive integer and r is a whole number such that r less than n, then P of n, r represents the number of all possible arrangements or permutation of n distant objects taken r at the time. In case of permutation without repetition, the number of available choices will be reduced each time and it can be represented as P. P represents the n objects to be selected from r objects without repetition in which the order matters. For example, suppose three friends A, B and C have to stand in a line for photograph. In how many ways order they can stand? Some of the possible arrangements from left to right are A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, B, A and C, A, B. Thus, there are 6 possible ways in which they can arrange themselves for photograph. The next type is permutation when repetition is allowed. The permutation can be easily calculated when the repetition is allowed. Choosing an object can be n different ways. Thus, the permutation of object with repetition is equal to n into n etc. r times, which is equal to n power r. This is the permutation formula to compute the number of permutation feasible for each choice of r items from the n objects when repetition is allowed. Permutations are also used in our branches of mathematics and also in our real life. It is also used in science. In computer science, they are used for analyzing, sorting, algorithms. In quantum physics, for describing states of particles, and in biology, for describing RNA sequence. And in real life, examples of permutations are used for arranging people, digits, numbers, alphabets, letters and colors, selection of menu, food, clothes, subjects, the term or the examples of combinations. Do you understand the concept? Okay, students, thank you.